So I'm gonna do with you the first walkthrough of the house now that the construction is still pretty rough. We're gonna repeat this walkthrough so you could see the evolution, the before, the during, and the after. Let's walk into the house. I said walk into the house like if the house is already enclosed, but no, as you can see, feel pretty open. The most important thing that we have is the view. Most of the decisions of the project were made based on the view, so we could capitalize on this feature of the land. Rebar that we're gonna have some concrete put here for columns. So you get here and you walk, and you see the view. On this side, we have the living area. It's gonna be the full living area. On this side, where I'm standing, we're gonna have the dining area. And from here on, we're gonna have the kitchen. There's gonna be an island here, fridge, and stove. This house has a pantry. This pantry here is just gonna be for dry food. Here we have the laundry, and there we have the garage. And again, very rough, still pretty rough, but it's gonna take shape as the construction goes. On this side over here, we have a door. We will have a door, and we'll have this area room over here is going to be the walk-in closet. This walk-in closet welcomes the owner of the house to the master bedroom suite. This full side of the house is going to be the master bedroom, walk-in closet, and master bathroom. So let's start with the master bedroom. Later on, there's going to be a bed here. This bed, I'll have this window, and I'll have this other sliding door here that will lead to a back porch. Now let's go to the master bathroom. This 15 by 15 master bathroom has his sink and her sink, very spaced. This is so personal products are not interfering with each other. And on this wall, we're gonna have a big bathtub. In a clear day, once all of those are open, they could see even to the sea. Now let's check what's else in this bathroom. Here we have a shower. Then in the back of this wall, we have something else, something that I like to incorporate in my designs. Here is the toilet room. So this bathroom could be used by two people at the same time without eliminating or affecting the privacy of each one. This bathroom here has the toilet on this side. There's also gonna be a door here, but there's gonna be a bidet here. Now let's go outside. This is the view they will have every day. Now here we have another bathroom for room number 2 and number 3. This is room number 3 here, also with view. We have to knock some tree down, but okay. And then we have the other room that will also have an amazing view. Now this is again the rough house. This is what I can show you now. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lines of blocks that we've pasted, that we've laid today is just with one. I'm happy with the progress. I'm happy that quality control measures have been taken. For example, look at this. I just found out about this. And as you can see, there's still plenty to do, but still there's plenty of time. So far, we're good with the schedule. But having said that, let's keep working. See you the next time. Bye-bye.